Here's a solution for day 4, problem 1. Find the missing length indicated by the question mark in the picture. Here we have a large triangle, and built within it is a smaller triangle. Because these lines are parallel, these are similar triangles. Because they're similar triangles, we can create proportions from corresponding parts. For example, this part here, the side of the small triangle, could be compared to this part here, the side of this four-sided shape here called a trapezoid. We could write 20 is to the 8. Then take this bottom side of the triangle and compare it to that side of the trapezoid. So the question mark is to the 18. This is not the only way to create a proportion out of matching parts, but it's one way. If you don't like having a question mark and would prefer a variable, then simply use a variable there. One way to solve a proportion is with cross multiplication. So 8 times the question mark is equal to, and then this diagonal, 20 times the 18. Divide both sides by 8 to get the answer for the question mark. So 20 times 18 divided by 8. And the result is 45. This side of the triangle is 45 units long. Now day 4, problem 2. Find the value of x. The segment from here to here is x. That's part of the radius of that circle. Now the distance all the way across the circle, called the diameter, is 31.8. So if we take half of 31.8, that will tell us how long the radius is. That's 15.9. So it's 15.9 from the center out to the edge of the circle. Similarly, 15.9 from the center out to this edge, and it's even 15.9 from the center out to this edge. I want you to notice that this distance here is 7. So we can find our answer for x by subtracting the 7 from the 15.9. And that result is 8.9. So if this much is 7, this much must be 8.9, so that the entire radius turns out to be 15.9.